How to make a homemade fertilizer, a complete homemade fertilizer or plant food. Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Today, I'll show you how to make homemade fertilizer with 3 items: eggshell, coffee grounds, and banana peelings or banana peels. So we have our banana peels right here. We have our coffee grounds right here that we're gonna use on it, and we also have our eggshell right here. So we're gonna use these 3 things to do it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that all the items are dry. Like you can see, the banana peelings are dry, the eggshells are dry, and the coffee grounds are dry. You want to make sure that they're completely dry before you use them, because it's gonna do much better for you to blend them if they are completely dry. If they are not dry, you can put them in the oven for a few minutes, depending on how wet they are. Then you take them out, let them cool, then you use them. So right now I'm putting the eggshells in my blender. So we're gonna put them in the blender. We want to blend it to powder form. We want to blend it, break it down as much as possible to powder form, so that way it can easily be mixed and spread out. So I'm just gonna try to make sure that I push it down and just blend all of them before we go to the next item, which we're gonna use. The eggshell is done right now, so we're gonna put them in our mixing container right here. So we're gonna pour everything into our mixing container, and then we do the next. If you have more eggshells, you can do more. Like I have a few more left, I'll just do that and add it to it. But if you don't have any more, that's fine. Just put it in the container and go to the next item. Well, we're gonna do. Let me know in the comments below if you've used any of these in your garden and how. Also, let me know if it's helped you a lot in your garden. If you've used it in your garden, just leave a comment below and let me know. Even though the coffee grounds are really broken down, I'm just gonna try to break it down even more. So I'm just putting the coffee ground in the blender and just blend it and see if I can get finer texture for the coffee ground, so that it can break down even faster when you put it into your garden or into your containers. So I'm just gonna add it now to the eggshell that we did before. So I'm not using any measurements to be exact, but I'm just putting it together. So I'm just gonna mix it into the one that I had before, shake it, and I will go to the next step. So you can measure it and have a definitive amount, or you can just mix it like this. That's fine. It doesn't have to be exact. It's gonna be fine. So next we're gonna do our banana peelings that are dry. So you can see this mixture is looking really good. So you can just mix it like that with your hand and it should be fine. Or you can also wear gloves. So we're gonna do the next, which is the banana peelings that are completely dry. We're gonna just put everything in there, and you want to blend it and get it to a powder form. So banana provides potassium, which is good for plants. The eggshell provide calcium, and the coffee grounds provides nitrogen. Like I said, you want to make sure that the banana peelings are really dry. They'll do better and they'll grind much better if they're really dry. So you want to dry very well. Like I said, you can also put it in the oven and then dry completely. Let it cool a little bit before you blend it like this. So this is it. I think it's good. It's completely pulverized, and it's good to mix it up now. So we're just gonna add it to the mixture we have. You can just pour it in there, and then we're just gonna mix it up, and then we can use it for our plants. Like I said, this is a slow release plant food, so gradually it's gonna release nutrients for your plants to use. So you want to mix it up, and then we're just gonna take it out. You can use it, like I said, you can use a spoon, or you can use a knife, a forks, or your hand, or anything to mix it up completely. Then we're gonna see if we can make sure that we use the same amount on every plant, and just put it underneath our plants, and hopefully give us some good results. So this is it. This is the final result. This is how it looks. You can put a tablespoon like this, just spread it around the base of the plant like that. I'm using a teaspoon, so a teaspoon. So you spread a teaspoon at the base of the plant like that. So you do 1 teaspoon, provides it with your organic fertilizer. Okay, we'll wait and see after a couple of weeks and see how it does. So let's give it a couple of weeks, and we'll come back. We'll see how the plant does with the fertilizer we provided. Okay, this is it after about a month. The tomatoes are doing well, as you can see. Tomatoes are doing well. So I'll say try it. It's free organic fertilizer for your garden. You can use it on tomatoes. You can use it on different plants, peppers, and other plants in your garden. And one other thing you can add to it is you can add a teaspoon of Epsom salt. That will provide it more nitrogen, and it should be fine. You can do that, or you can just put it like that, and it should be fine also. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.